This video will teach you how to fill blank cells in Excel. Select a range of cells that includes the blank cells you want to fill. Click Home. Click Find and select Icon. Click Go to Special. Click to select blanks. Click OK. All the blank cells that are in the range you selected earlier should be selected. Navigate to your first blank cell without changing the selection. Enter the cell K29. Press Ctrl plus Enter. Excel will fill the remaining blank cells that are selected with the text from cell K29. If you want to change the current cells from formulas to their values, copy the cell range. On Paste Special, select Values under Paste Header. If you want to copy their formulas, copy cell range and select Formulas on Paste Special. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.